What if you could run a fully automated webinar funnel, one that registers visitors, presents an offer, follows up by email and SMS, and routes missed viewers to a replay without ever recording a single second of video yourself? That's the core promise behind WebinarClonesAI, a brand new product launching on JVZoo on May 12, 2026, created by Jono Armstrong and Magliocca. In this review, I'm going to walk you through exactly what's inside, who this is realistically for, what I genuinely like about it, what you need to be careful about, and whether the $37 front-end price makes sense for a beginner affiliate marketer. I'll be straight with you the whole way through. No hype. Let's get into it. Before I show you what WebinarClonesAI actually does, I want to talk about the problem it's solving because it's a real one. Webinars are widely recognized as one of the highest converting sales formats online. Russell Brunson, Amy Porterfield, Anik Singhal, people who've built 8- and 9-figure businesses, all point to webinars as the #1 sales tool they use. Industry research consistently shows that somewhere between 20 and 50% of webinar attendees make a purchase when the funnel is well structured. Compare that to a typical sales page, which might convert 1 to 3% of cold traffic. So if webinars convert so much better, why isn't everyone doing them? Because until now, setting one up was a nightmare. You had to write the script, record yourself on camera, edit the video, pay $97 to $297 a month for a platform like EverWebinar or Webinar Jam. Build the registration page, the follow-up sequence, the replay funnel, and then show up live to answer questions. Most beginners, and honestly, most intermediate marketers too, gave up before they ever went live, and never saw a single sale from webinars. That's the gap WebinarClonesAI is designed to fill. WebinarClonesAI is described by the vendor as the world's first done-for-you webinar deployment system. The idea is simple. Instead of building a webinar from scratch, you deploy one that's already been built, scripted, recorded, and tested by experienced marketers. Here's the 3-step process they describe. Step 1. Log in and choose from 5 pre-built webinar funnels, already created by Jono Armstrong, Magliocca, and other top earners. Step 2. Paste in any affiliate link or any URL you want to promote. The system swaps it in automatically. Step 3. Click Save. Your webinar funnel is now live, hosted, and running 24 hours a day. That's it. No recording, no scripting, no monthly platform fee, no showing up live. The system handles follow-up emails and SMS automatically. It routes missed viewers to a replay. It simulates a live chat experience, and it includes an AI component that generates ads and organic content to help drive traffic. You also get a real-time analytics dashboard so you can see what's converting and where your traffic is coming from. For the first 50 buyers, there's a fast action bonus of 5 additional webinar funnels, so 10 total instead of 5. And the whole thing comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Let me go through the key features so you know exactly what you're getting. 5 done-for-you webinar funnels. These are claimed to be already recorded, scripted, and professionally designed. You're not creating content. You're deploying content that the vendor says is already converting. 0 ongoing platform costs. This is a big one. No Zoom subscription, no EverWebinar, no Webinar Jam. The hosting is included. That alone could save you $100 or more every month compared to the standard tools. Built-in email and SMS follow-up. After someone enters your funnel, automated follow-up fires without you doing anything. People who didn't buy get followed up. People who missed the event get routed to the replay. Dynamic CTAs, polls, and smart segmentation. Calls to action can appear and disappear at the right moments. The system can trigger different follow-up sequences based on whether someone exited early, clicked a button, or abandoned the checkout. Live chat simulation. The system uses preloaded FAQs and objection responses so viewers feel like they're in a real live event without you needing to be online. AI traffic engine. This is where it gets interesting for AI-focused marketers. The built-in AI generates ads and organic content for any platform. You don't write copy. You don't design creatives. The AI builds the traffic content for you. $20,000 worth of free traffic training. The vendor claims this is premium training from real JVZoo speaking events that hasn't been publicly released before. Whether that framing holds up is something you'd verify once inside, but it's positioned as a significant bonus. Swap in your own video. If you have your own MP4 content, you can drop it into the funnel without rebuilding anything. Good flexibility. Analytics dashboard. Real-time tracking of conversions, traffic sources, and viewer behavior. Organic AI traffic optimization. The funnels are optimized for discovery through ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity, which is a smart move given where AI search is heading. At the front-end price of $37, the vendor has stacked in 4 fast-action bonuses. Bonus 1, 2 days. 1 Benjamin case study valued at $127. This covers traffic strategies across YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, email, and free organic channels. Good for beginners who need a traffic starting point. Bonus 2, Geofill Media Kit valued at $97. Done-for-you email templates designed to pre-sell leads before they enter the webinar. Higher show-up rates, more people watching the full presentation, more sales. Bonus 3, Pod Prime Lifetime Access valued at $197. Positions you as a founding member with access to new funnels and features as they're added. Bonus 4, the Entrepreneur AI Era Edition valued at $67. AI Era business content for marketers, navigating the current landscape. Combined claimed value of $488 in bonuses on top of the $37 product. That's a strong value stack for a launch offer. Let me walk you through the upgrade path quickly, so there are no surprises after you buy. OTO 1 partnership at $97. This gives you Alan's complete business backend, templates, ads, pages, scripts, email sequences, automations, VA sources, and access to a private WhatsApp group. This is for people who want the full business system, not just the front-end tool. OTO 2, recurring partners, at $77. This is designed to turn your webinar leads into monthly recurring income. Instead of one-time commissions, you refer leads and get paid every month. No selling or closing required on your part. OTO 3 Empire at $127. This is the agency and high-ticket upgrade. Full customization, branding, and the ability to charge clients $1,000 to $5,000 to set this up for them. OTO 4 done for you at $147. The vendor's team sets everything up for you. Your 5 funnels built, links plugged in, pages and automations connected. For buyers who want zero implementation. OTO 5 white label at $499. You get the rights to sell WebinarClonesAI as your own product, keep 100% of profits, and build your own affiliate program. Bundle option at $297 per year covers the front end. Traffic Igniter. Partnership. Recurring partners and Empire together. My honest take. The front end at $37 is a reasonable entry point to test the system. The upgrades are optional and genuinely serve different use cases. The DFY at $147 is probably worth considering if you want zero friction getting started. The white label at $499 is advanced territory only relevant if you're already thinking about launching your own products. Let me be direct about what genuinely stands out here. Number 1. The barrier removal is real. The biggest reason most people never run webinars is the work required to build one. Having 5 pre-built funnels removes that entirely. That's not a gimmick, that's a genuine shortcut. Number 2. No recurring platform cost. This is a significant practical advantage. If you were going to run automated webinars using EverWebinar, you'd be paying $99 a month or more. At $37 one time, the math is straightforward. Number 3. The AI traffic angle is well-timed. Optimizing for ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity is a smart move right now. AI search is growing fast, and most tools are still ignoring it. If the optimization is real, this is a forward-thinking feature. Number 4. Multiple use cases. Affiliate marketing, your own products, client services, lead generation. The flexibility here means it's not a one-trick tool. Number 5. Beginner. Friendly entry point. If you have no list, no audience, and no webinar experience, this is genuinely one of the lower friction ways to get a converting funnel running. The 30-day refund reduces the risk further. Now here's where I give you the honest side of the picture. Because no product is perfect, and you deserve the full story. Caveat 1. Traffic is still your responsibility. The system provides AI-generated ad content and traffic training. But generating actual visitors to your funnel requires real effort, whether that's paid ads, organic content, or your email list. The AI helps you create content to drive traffic. It does not automatically send you buyers. Caveat 2. Earnings claims are vendor claims, not guarantees. The sales page mentions $41,904 generated in 14 days and conversion rates of 20 to 50%. The vendor's own disclaimer states that results vary significantly based on effort, experience, market conditions, and execution. These figures are possible in specific cases. They are not what the average beginner should expect. I'm not saying this to discourage you. I'm saying it because I want you to go in with realistic expectations. Caveat 3. Offer to webinar congruence matters. The system lets you paste any affiliate link. But a webinar built around one type of offer may not convert as well when you paste in a completely unrelated link. The quality of your results will depend on how well your chosen offer matches the webinar content. Caveat 4. This is a tool, not a complete business education. If you're brand new to affiliate marketing, you'll still need to understand offer selection, basic traffic principles, and how to interpret your analytics. The training included helps, but tools don't replace judgment. Caveat 5. The $37 price is a launch price. The sales page indicates this may go to $97 per month after launch. That creates genuine urgency. But it also means you should make your decision during the launch window, ending May 19th if you're interested. Let me make this simple. WebinarClonesAI is a strong fit if you're a beginner affiliate marketer who wants to promote offers without building funnels from scratch. You've been putting off webinars because of the complexity or cost. You want a 24/7 automated selling system that doesn't require you to show up live. You're interested in AI-assisted traffic content and organic AI search optimization. You want to test webinar marketing without a $100 plus monthly platform commitment. It may not be the right fit if you already have a fully functioning webinar system and are happy with it. You want complete creative control over every element of your funnel from day one. You're expecting passive income without putting in the work to drive traffic. You're not comfortable with the fact that the webinar content is pre-built, not personalized to your brand. For the audience watching this channel, beginner affiliates exploring AI and marketing automation, this lands squarely in the worth a look category, especially at $37 with a 30-day refund. So here's my honest verdict on WebinarClonesAI. At $37, this is a low-risk entry point into done-for-you webinar marketing. The core value proposition: 5 pre-built funnels, no recurring platform fees, built-in follow-up, and AI-assisted traffic content is genuinely useful for beginner affiliates who want to get something running without months of setup. The product is backed by Jono, Armstrong, and Magliocca, 2 names with real track records in the JV and ClickBank space. The 30-day money-back guarantee means you can test it with minimal financial risk. The things to watch: traffic is still on you, earnings results vary widely, and you should go in as a marketer who's willing to learn and iterate, not someone expecting instant passive income with zero effort. If you're ready to check it out, my affiliate link is in the description below. You'll also find a coupon code: use CLONES at checkout for $2 off the front end, or Webinar50 if you're considering the bundle. If you're one of the first 50 buyers, you get 10 webinar funnels instead of 5. So move quickly if you're interested. Drop a comment below if you have questions. I'll do my best to help. If you found this review useful, a like and subscribe helps me keep making honest content like this. See you in the next one.